Dad. Hello. Dad. It's me, Ibrar. Dad, I am here.
Ebrar, what are you doing here? Don't you see your dad is working right now?
I'm sorry, Dad. But you told me we will go out today. Don't you remember?
What are you talking about? When did I tell you something like that?
Last week, Dad. It was my birthday and I called you to attend my birthday. But you were busy in your work and you told me we will go out on Saturday.
Did I say that? I don't remember. But that's not possible. I will work on Saturday. Maybe I'm confused. I will work from Monday to Saturday. I can't. Sorry.
But you said, alright, I get it. Dad, maybe I misunderstood.
Yeah, probably. I'm working now, so I can't talk to you. I have to go.
Okay, Dad, but tomorrow is Sunday. Can we go out tomorrow? Can we?
Sure, of course. Tomorrow or some other time. I have to work today. Sorry, Abrar.
Fantastic. Can we go out the beach? Dad, I will tell my friends to go with us too.
Yeah, whatever. Talk with your friends. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, Dad. I will go home now. I will call my friends. I love you. Good morning, Dad. I am ready to leave. My friends are coming in some minutes. Where are we going? To the most popular beach or swimming pool? I need to know because my friends want to know too. Where are we going, Dad?
Abrar, what are you talking about? I have to work today. I have a meeting.
Don't be joking, Dad. Seriously, I want to know where.
I am not joking. I have to work today. I have an important meeting at the office.
But you told me that today we are going to the beach. You promised.
To the beach. Do you think I have enough time to be playing with you, Ebrar? I have to work. We have need of money. Remember, we have to buy that house near the beach.
But, Dad, you never have time for me. We never talk and we never go out.
Ebrar, you are not a child anymore. You are about 13. Please, you should understand. Your father needs to work hard, get a lot of money. Don't you get it?
I know you work hard. I know we have a lot of money because of you. I know that. But you are always busy. You have no time for us.
Ibrar, my job doesn't finish. When I leave the office, I have to do a lot of things here at home. Your dad is the general manager of a very important company. Can you understand?
I can, Dad. But I need you to be here with me too. My friends' fathers also work hard, but they spend time with their sons.